Hello everyone, I have found a solution for El Gato, what do you call it? HD60 external USB 2.0. The clicking and the popping of sound which you currently hear right now. I'm going to be quiet for a few seconds to demonstrate that. There you go. Now, if you're a streamer, you've been dealing with this problem using Elgato, some sort of device. Like I said, mine is the HD60 external USB 2.0. Now, I've been breaking my head finding a solution for this, and there's nowhere that explains it. But today, I figured it out myself. Let me show you how. So, in your OBS, by the way, this problem is with OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS. I'm not sure the problem is persistent with the Elgato software because I have not had a problem with that. Now, that being said, you want to go to OBS Studio under your mixer and click the gear for the settings of Elgato. You go to Properties, scroll down. Audio output mode is selected by default to direct sound, your desktop audio. You want to change that to wave, desktop audio, wave out. It's going to take a couple seconds to reset. Hit OK. And then display capture. Back to the captures. And you will hear that the clicks and pops are no longer there. No clicks and pops. None whatsoever. I did this testing for a few minutes before recording this video. And as you can see, there's no clicks and pops. That is the solution, at least for me. You might want to try this on your own and see if that fixes your problem. I have been avoiding trying to stream through with using my PS4 and the Elgato because of this clicking and popping. I've been avoiding it. Now, I think I'm gonna try it out. Hope you had, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If so, hit the like button, subscribe. You're welcome.